going to describe two types of meristems, apical meristems and lateral meristems. The apical meristem grows up and down from the buds and the root tips. And the lateral meristem is more girth or growth in the width of the plant. Here is a cross-section of a stump and a drawing of the vascular cambium. From this meristematic region, the phloem grows outward and the xylem grows inward. The phloem transports sugars and nutrients all over the plant, and the cells are called sieve tubes. They are living cells with no nucleus, so they need companion cells next to them to help them function and grow. All plants have cells in the xylem called tracheids. These are thin cells that are tapered at the ends. Many vascular plants have vessels or vessel elements, which are much wider cells that transport a lot more water. Why don't all plants have vessels? Well, they're much more prone to cavitation, which is a break in the water column up the cells. Even tracheids can cavitate, but they have better strategies than vessels to overcome the embolisms. First, they have bordered pits, a type of valve that shuts off when the air bubble fills a cell. Second, they're arranged with tapered ends that help to divert the water through alternative pathways when a cell has a blockage. Third, they just start over the next year and lay down a new layer of tracheids to allow the free flow of water. Ring porous plants have large vessels in the early wood and few to no vessels in the late wood. This strategy is most effective in hot, dry environments. So alternatively, diffuse porous wood have vessels diffused throughout the annual growth. Plants use this strategy in more wet and competitive environments. We can see in a cross-section of a stump the early wood laid down in spring, followed by the late wood with thicker cell walls in late summer. Dendrochronology uses the difference in width from dry, hot years and wet, rainy years to understand history and climate change. Take a look next time you pass a stump and see if you can start to see the different tissues in the plants.